Cathay Pacific. I'm sorry, but I won't let my kids eat this. Unboxing Cathay Pacific A350 business class. Outstanding lounge services in Hong Kong. Great seat with massive legroom. What happened to the kids' meal?
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Good morning, Hong Kong International Airport. This airport has amazing facilities, much like a shopping complex with multiple dining options and famous luxurious brands. Moreover, there are lounges here that may exceed your imagination. Before I unbox today's journey to Taipei, let me share how I got here. Previously, I flew Cathay Pacific A350-1000 in business class from Jakarta, Indonesia. I experienced the business lounge with amazing interior design and enjoyed premium onboard meal in the air. Check the link below for full details. Back at Hong Kong Airport, I was very lucky to meet a friend who owned One World Emerald status. I visited the mind-blowing first-class lounges here, including the Wing and the Pier. I'll unbox these 2 lounges for you in separate videos. In summary, I felt truly premium while visiting these lounges, and I'm considering becoming a One World Emerald member in the future.
This is the flight today from Hong Kong to Taipei. Airbus A350-1000. Okay, few minutes left. We will get on board very soon.
This long line is not queuing for economy. Surprise, it's for business class passengers and elite members. That's why I feel so many premium people can fly in style. With Cathay Pacific, flying economy, it's really feel like second or even lower level people in this world. The seat configuration is 1-2-1 in business class. And something special is, I pre-ordered the kids' meal. Let's find out how it looks and tastes later. My seat today is 18K. Look at this beautiful premium chair. Let's have a quick seat tour. The small storage area with a hot red color, preloaded with a headset. Also with a USB charger and a power socket. Mirror and a document pocket. That's it. A menu was provided. There are 2 bottles I brought from the lounge, and the Cathay Delight plus water are welcome drinks. The control panel has all essentials, including reading light via a tuner, seat control, and a remote control for the system. The seat itself has an adjustable big headrest, a Bamford branded pillow, and a handy storage area in the armrest. Can fit in a bottle of water here. Quite neat design. Another button here can enlarge the bedding for the best sleeping experience. Well, small problems happen, but it's not a big deal. You can find the safety instructions and shopping magazine in the front document tray. This legroom is massive, definitely comfortable with full of premium touches. Here's another storage area that can fit in items like a GoPro. The signature sliding screen design has a small display for the seatbelt sign and overhead lighting. You must try signature Cathay Delight, which is a kiwi coconut smoothie. A mood-changing hot towel has been delivered. Turn on flight mode, sit back and fasten the seatbelt. Enjoy the A350-1000 engine sound and the view of Hong Kong Airport. Before we move to my pre-ordered kids meal,
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
I like the sleek design of their tray table, hidden inside with extremely small footage. Let's take a look at the menu today. Feel free to pause anytime if you'd like to see the details. Let's check out the onboard kids meal today. My first impression of the kids' meal. Oh no, it's nothing related to business class. By the way, this Johnny Walker Gold Reserve is definitely not on the kids' menu.
So today I ordered the kids meal on the Cathay Pacific business class. This is whiskey. This is like whiskey. Okay, let's see what they got. For kids tableware they are using the plastic. I think this is basically economy version. There's a card which this is kids meal. They got kids salad and cookies. Let's see what's inside. Haha, it's a fried rice. Fried rice kids meal. And apple juice. I didn't expect the kids meal on Cathay Pacific is economy level. Very disappointed. But anyway, it's good to know. So let's try the salad. Potato and tuna salad. They cut everything small. They're probably good for kids. The fried rice. So far I tried China Airlines, Fly Dubai, and Cathay Pacific. It seems China Airlines got the best kids meal in the air right now in business class. If you fly with your kids, you expect the premium business class kids meal. You definitely will feel lost. And the snack. The taste is very strange. That's it. After the terrible experience with kids meal on my last flight, when I ordered a green tea, they also provide another small holder to hold the tea bag. So I think the service is kind of different. So I have nowhere to put. Let's see. This is on the second row of the business class toilet. So they also got LED light on the mirror, got a cup and also the tissue, different type of tissue as well. Wireless, touchless, tap. Anyway, sink. Then this is hand wash with the Benford amenities, and they also got a baby table, a hanger for flowers, maybe. A smoke, another hanger, and another big mirror just in front of the toilet. That's it. The sink was quite small, typical for A350. Today is the first time I experienced the first class lounge. Basically based on the arrangement, first of all the diamond members get on board earlier. The first class lounge arrangement. And even the meal order, they also ask the elite members first. They serve the elite members very well, and the name is hard to change to other airlines. That's good for those top level passengers. However, for the normal travelers who make a travel in economy class or even business class, it's still quite different unless you want to become their elite members. And the worst feeling this time was the kids meal. It's really bad because it's just economy level and the food taste is also terrible. I won't lie, my case is that. So just for your reference, maybe your experience got better kids meal on the Cathay Pacific. Let me know if you comment below. We will see you next time.
Very soon, the 2 hours journey is about to the end. Sit back and fasten the seatbelt. Let's landing Taipei. Welcome to Taipei, Taiwan. In summary, Cathay Pacific has very best lounges on the ground. Onboard services are a bit behind. Maybe it's just too full for business cabin, or I'm not One World member.
Okay, finally get back home. We'll see you next time.
In my next video, I will fly EVA Air 787-10 Dreamliner in economy class with Trimama and the little one, Leon, from Taipei to Tokyo. Experience the Beyond First Class VIP Lounge in Huanyu VIP Terminal, which is shared with Starlux First Class Services. Take an airport buggy to the gate and see what the kids' meal on board could be. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.